Welcome to our latest gem in a quintessential global community spread across 1,000 acres. 9 holes golf putting area, host where all the recreational activities, your parties, your social gatherings are happening. You can teach your kids the importance of nature, magnanimous, magnificent living area. You can come and go closer to nature, awe-inspiring and breathtaking grandeur Bignonia Tower. Township, you will be getting ample of amenities currently. You can put planters here, flowers here, and you can enjoy. Enthusiast, you can learn this huge jacuzzi as well, which comes with multi-function ship, and you can come and learn horse riding here. Be getting an expensive 3 lakh square feet club, Central Park, Flower Valley, nestled amidst the picturesque Aravali. Hello friends, welcome to Zrix.com. I'm Hina Kaul, and today we will be showcasing you the prestigious township of Central Park Flower Valley, which is spread across 1,000 acres. Central Park Flower Valley is located bang on Sona Road elevated corridor. This project is an amalgamation of 2 sectors, Sector 32 and 33. In this township, you will be getting ample of amenities, ample of upcoming projects, which we are going to showcase you today in episode 2. Yes, this is episode 2 of Central Park Flower Valley because we couldn't cover everything in episode 1. And today, the main focus of Central Park Flower Valley project, which we are going to showcase you, is Bignonia Towers. So Bignonia Tower is the upcoming and the rising project in the midst of Central Park, where you will be getting 3 and 4 BHK ultra luxurious apartments. The main attraction of Central Park Flower Valley is an equestrian, which I'm sure you have not got yet in any of the project in Delhi NCR. So if you are a horse riding enthusiast, you can learn horse riding here. Another major attraction point of Central Park Flower Valley is that it is surrounded by the fruit trees. The upcoming projects of Central Park Flower Valley is Bignonia Towers, Orchard Towers, which is your luxurious low-rise apartment. And in Bignonia, you are going to get high-rise apartment. Why one should invest in Central Park Flower Valley is that you are getting plenty of options to choose from, which means you can customize what kind of a home you want to buy. Whether you want to buy a villa, whether you want to buy a bungalow, or you want to buy a high-rise apartment, or you want to house in a low-rise apartment, you want to invest in commercial, you want to buy offices, so you can choose from. Central Park Flower Valley give easy access to major highways like Delhi-Mumbai Express, NH48, Dwarka, your Xavier International Airport. And if you talk about the vicinity, you will be getting all school just in a walking distance, like the GD Goenka School is just walking from the society, and your KR Mangalam University is just in the vicinity. And if you talk about the international airport, it's just 40 minutes drive. If you talk about Area Mall, Raheja Mall, it is just 8 to 10 minutes drive. Your Ambience Mall is 30 minutes drive from here. And another interesting point, you don't need to go out to buy vegetables because your vegetables are grown in Central Park Flower Valley, and inside you will get only that organic vegetables. Imagine your kids are growing the fruit trees and relishing that same slice of heaven. They can also enjoy the blossoming of the flowers in the season. So this way you can teach your kids the importance of nature and how to connect with nature. Let me tell you about the array of amenities you're going to get in Central Park Flower Valley. You will be getting an expensive 3 lakh square feet clubhouse, which will be having indoor activities, outdoor activities. And if you talk about outdoor activities, you will be getting a expansive cricket pitch, an equestrian, a golf course, football court, basketball, badminton court, indoor, outdoor badminton court, jogging track, cycling track, TT court, squash court. You name it, you're gonna get all the amenities. Plus, you will be getting a spiritual time also here with your family, because you will be providing with a temple and a gurdwara inside the premises. Let me take you to the outdoor activities which is being provided by Central Park Flower Valley, and you will be mesmerized to see. Central Park Flower Valley offers you an array of amenities. One of the major amenity that you're gonna get in Central Park Flower Valley is that the expansive clubhouse. This clubhouse is going to be a 3 lakh square feet clubhouse in which you will be getting state-of-art facility gym where I'm walking right now. And this is a fully equipped gym with latest machines for your exercises. So you can have a look around. People are already working out in this gym, and you will be getting fresh, open, wide views for your mornings. So you can come and you can get fit in this state-of-art fit gym. In the most biggest club of Delhi NCR, Club Volga, you will be getting array of amenities, and your social gatherings, your restaurants, your indoor activities, your outdoor activities will all be covered in this expansive club. Now we are going to cover up all the outdoor activities being provided by Central Park Flower Valley. So first we will be heading to a cricket pitch. It's not a small cricket pitch, it itself is a stadium. So stay tuned with us as we will be showcasing you more outdoor activities. So here we are standing at the entry gate of the cricket pitch of Central Park Flower Valley. So come along with me and I will showcase you the expansive cricket pitch which you have never seen in any other community or society in Delhi NCR. This is exactly the size of your cricket stadium. So if you're a cricket enthusiast, if your kids love cricket, then this is the best place to get your dream home. Your kids are gonna love it because they're gonna get a lifetime experience in this. As you can see behind, kids are already playing cricket, and this is such a vibrant field. Even if you're standing outside and watching them or you're playing with them, this is gonna take you to another level. As I was telling you about the outdoor activity, another special outdoor activities which you will be getting in Central Park Flower Valley is the golf course. So yes, this is a 9 holes golf putting area, and this gives you an dedicated environment to refine your golf techniques. It's an ideal spot for a quick round or a practice session. And diagonally, you can see they have also provided gazebos, and you will be seeing a lot of ducks here. So you will be having the whimsical time, and in the evening after playing golf, you can go to the gazebos and have your refreshing, rejuvenating time. Now let me take you to the equestrian, which I bet you none of the societies has provided in NCR. So come along with me and I will showcase you how an equestrian look like. Let me now show you the another amenities of Central Park Flower Valley. So right now we are entering an equestrian, and on my right hand side you can see gazebos where all the recreational activities, your parties, your social gatherings are happening. And behind me I think some birthday parties already going on. So come along with me and I'll show you about the equestrian. The major attraction of Central Park Flower Valley, which I was bragging about, is here. And yes, none of the societies has provided equestrian till now. So you can see there are horses. Central Park Flower Valley offers you an expensive equestrian with well-equipped stables and dedicated area for horse riding. So imagine if you have ever dreamt of learning horse riding. So now you can fulfill your dream because you will be getting dedicated skilled trainers to teach you horse riding. In Central Park Flower Valley, your kids can have a whimsical experience because you can see you will be getting different breeds of ducks. So your kids can come and go closer to nature. And you can do ducks feeding, and your toddlers are gonna have a blast over here. Yet another exclusive project of Central Park Flower Valley is Bignonia Towers, which is the most upcoming and exclusive luxury high-rise yet low-density project in which you will be getting 3 BHK plus 4 BHK luxurious apartments. So come along with me and we will delve into the ultra luxurious Bignonia Tower. The sample flat is ready for the sneak peek. So brace yourself, hold on to your seats tight, and I am going to showcase you the residentials, which is not just a residential, but it is a bold statement of innovation and luxury. So let me take you inside to view the awe-inspiring and breathtaking grandeur Bignonia Towers. So come along with me to the Experience Center. Thank you. So here's the stunning, spectacular 3D model of Bignonia Towers. This is Tower A, this is Tower B, and you will be getting two topologies to choose from. They are giving you the options of 3 BHK and 4 BHK to choose from. The size of 4 BHK is 5,581 square feet and 5,518 square feet. So the moment you enter from the wide road, you will be getting two gates. There are separate gates for both the towers, and there is going to be a zero vehicular movement on the ground floor, as your car is going to go directly in the basement. And as we were talking about the basement, you are going to get luxurious basement. For 3 BHK, you are going to get 2 car parkings, and for 4 BHK, you are going to get 3 car parkings. So you will be getting 2 separate swimming pools for both the towers. They have given extra pools so that you don't have to walk a lot for the changes. This project is spread across 7.35 acres, and let's talk about the amenities of this project. In this project, you will be getting an expensive clubhouse. The clubhouse will be common for both the towers, and in this clubhouse, you're gonna get all your major activities like your indoor basketball, your restaurants. Not only one, you're gonna get different restaurants like Japanese, Indian, Italian, different kind of cuisines you're gonna get in the clubhouse. And if you talk about the facade looks truly amazing. And let's talk about the entertainment factor. You will be getting ample indoor and outdoor sports facilities like a basketball court, squash court, badminton court, indoor pools, and many more. And if you talk about the towers, you will be getting G plus 48 stories. You will be getting double heighted reception lobby, and your actual residences start from third floor, 3 plus 48. And in your towers, you are not going to get 2, 3, 4. You will be getting 6 high-speed elevators, and you will be getting 1 dedicated elevator just for the fire safety. That will be 24/7 functional in case of emergency. That fire lift will be there for you. The facade of the building looks truly mesmerizing. If you talk about the view, you will be getting 270-degree panoramic view, which will overlook your Aravalli Hills. From your drawing room, you can also have a look view of Mumbai-Delhi Expressway. And you will be getting a wraparound balcony, a huge wraparound balcony in which you can do your morning walks. So come along with me, and I will showcase you the sample flat, which is ready for an exclusive look. So right now we are in the lobby area. You can see you are getting this huge lobby, and you will be getting not 1, 2, 3, but 6 elevators. 1 elevator is dedicated for your fire safety, which will be functional 24/7. So now let's delve into awe-inspiring, breathtaking, ultra-luxurious 4 BHK Bignonia house. Welcome to this colossal, magnanimous, magnificent living area of this 4 BHK, which is quite huge and massive, isn't it? And if you can see, you are getting natural sunlight from each and every corner of this house. The moment you enter, you will be welcomed with a powder room, which is a must-have nowadays. This is needed to get refreshed and do your touch-up. And after that, you will be getting this guest house. So the best part of this house is that they have kept the guest house in the separate, so that if you have a guest, you will not be bothered by them, and you will be having your own separate bedrooms to the other side. Then in this bedroom, you will be also getting this smoking closet area, with this pre-fitted almiras, which is glazed almiras and wooden modern modular almiras. Plus, you will be getting the shower cubicles with imported Kohler fittings. You will be getting rain showers, hand showers, your marble granite countertops, your LED touch screen mirrors. Come now, I'll take you, and you will be getting separate balcony in all the bedrooms. Now let me walk you through the other areas of this massive house. And in this colossal dining cum living room, they have not given you windows, they have given you sliding doors. And this house is fully automated, so you can run this house on AI. It is run on Alexa. This house is fully automated, as I mentioned you. So on just the touch of the button, the curtains will be closed, the curtains will be drawn. So isn't it exciting? So come, I'll show you the tour of this house. This is your huge dining area where you can easily accommodate a dining table of 10 seaters, and you can display all your fancy crockeries, your vessels here. The most prominent feature of this dining area is that the huge door is opened right in front of your drawing room. So during the winters, if you want to have your breakfast and enjoy the sun rays coming inside, you can just open this window and you have a massive balcony outside. I will keep the suspense of the balcony till the end of the video, so keep watching it and come along with me. I will showcase you the heart of the house, the kitchen. So the kitchen is placed right in front of the dining area, and this kitchen is a Japanese kitchen. Yes, you heard me right. It is based on a Japanese concept. The moment you enter, you will be seeing these fluted cabinets to place all your food items, your jars. Then you will be getting a double door refrigerator as well. So basically you're gonna get a fully loaded functional kitchen. You will be getting Bosch OTG, Bosch microwaves. Your acrylic cabinets are already placed in here. You will be getting again fluted cabinets. You can showcase all your fancy jars here. Bignonia has elevated a little bit in the kitchen. Instead of giving you a normal hobs, they have given you Bosch inductions. Isn't it great? And that's your basin area. You will be getting two separate wet and dry dishing area. So here's your Italian marble counters. You will be getting these open shelves to put all your jars, like your cookie jars, or you can display your fancy glasses, your liquor bottle. Choice is yours. Then you will be getting two separate sinks, wet and dry sink. You will be getting the geyser as well, and you will be getting exhaust. Inside you will be getting the trays for your fancy plates. Then you have ample space for storage. As you can see, you have storage upwards, you have storage downwards. So you will not be having any shortage of arranging your stuff. Then here comes your utility area. You will be getting fully automated Bosch washing machine. This is your VRV VRF unit. As I forgot to mention you that this house is fully VRV VRF controlled. Then this is your servant's washroom. Here's your servant room. This servant room comes with the AC. So come along with me now. I will take you to the most exciting area of this house, the bar. So this is your bar area, but you can modify this area as per your need. If you want to make it a library, if you want to make it a mandir, choice is yours. But this is a sample flat, so they have made a bar over here. I've already showed you the guest house. Now let's enter bedroom number 2, which is here for you. Just have a look. The beds are already placed. After placing a king size bed, still you will be seeing ample space to walk. You can put your couches here, coffee tables you can place here and sip your coffee and have a breathtaking view outside, because they have not given windows but they have given sliding doors, so you can sit here for your coffees and have a mesmerizing look even in the winters or summer times. So here is your walk-in closet. You will be getting this fully functional wardrobes of high quality wood finish. The best part is you will be getting storage from the floor to the ceilings. You have the loft also upstairs, if you can see the loft. So ample storage you're gonna get here. Then here comes your attached washroom. Then the shower cubicles are already placed in the washrooms. Again, you will be getting all cooler fittings, rain shower, hand showers, the Italian marble tops, again touchscreen, mirrors. And another thing which I would like to highlight here, that on the walls also they have given marbles, not the tiles. So from floor to ceiling, you will be getting marble walls. So now come with me and I will showcase you bedroom number 3. Here's your bedroom number 3. In this room, they have given the cabinets in your bedroom only. So you will be getting these 2 huge wardrobes. Again, this is from ceiling till the floor, and you will be getting the lofts as well. Then your TVs are placed here. You can put your vases in the corner, and you will be getting another attached washroom with this room also. Again, marble top counters, marble on the walls, LED touchscreen mirrors, shower cubicles with imported Kohler fittings. And the best thing is each and every washroom has plenty of space. They have not, given you less space. The typical showers are huge than a usual ones. Now, welcome to the 4th master bedroom of this ultra luxurious 4 BHK. Guys, have a look. Even after placing all the furniture, you have ample of space. So if you have a guest, they can lounge here. You can have your coffee discussions, your meetings over here. The massive huge TV is placed in front of you. You can put nice sceneries at the back. You can make it as your study area as well. After that, you have plenty of space to walk, and the best part I'm going to show. The moment you're going to get up in the morning, you just have to touch this and the curtains are going to draw. It is going to give you a mesmerizing, breathtaking view of Aravalli Hills. Let me take you to another exciting place of this master bedroom, which is a huge walk-in closet. So as you can see, you have got plenty of space, and you will be getting this luxurious walk-in closet. You will be getting this lacquered almirah made with high quality wood, drawers. Basically, you are getting plenty of space. Plus, you are getting separate almirahs for his and hers. The entire house, the entire rooms are made of Italian marble. So this is your washroom. So this is the biggest washroom because it's a master washroom, and it is again comes with your marble countertops, huge, not small, huge LED mirrors with the touch screens. Again, huge shower cubicle areas. Here you are getting more options of your showers, your hand showers, and multiple functions to take control of your rain showers. And the exciting, to elevate your lifestyle and to give you an extra quotient of uber luxury, you will be getting this humongous, huge jacuzzi as well, which comes with multi-functions. This jacuzzi is kept outside your washroom. Basically, it is kept in the balcony, and it is covered with these huge planters and this covering as well. So you can place high, tall plants here, so that you can have your own private moments here. Imagine on Sundays, you and your kids can enjoy in this jacuzzi. I know I've kept you excited because I haven't showed you the balcony yet. So come along with me and I will take you to the most gorgeous balcony ever I have seen. So you will be getting the access to the balcony from every corner of this house. So welcome to Bignonia Towers. I am standing here in this elongated wraparound balcony. So you come walk with me and then you will get to know why I was creating the excitement about this. So see, it's quite a walk. In the mornings you don't have to go outside. You can enjoy and walk in your own balcony. You can put planters here, flowers here, and you can enjoy the breathtaking views of Aravallis. You can also view the Mumbai-Delhi Expressway from your balcony. So this balcony ends here, but it connects with your guest room number 1. It connects with your drawing room. It connects again. Another door is given for your drawing room. Then another door connecting your dining area. Then this connects with your bedroom number 2. Keep coming with me. Remember I showed you the jacuzzi where they have kept the planters. So it's up to you. If you want to remove the planters, then it will totally turn into a wraparound balcony. The builder has kept the planters, but it's your own choice if you want to remove it or you want to keep it. But you will be getting this covered railing for your safety and privacy. And you can enjoy your panoramic view of 270-degree while sipping your espresso shots. Bignonia is offering you 2 options to choose from, Tower A and Tower B. In one tower, you will be getting options of 3 BHK plus servant, 4 BHK plus servant, and in another tower, you will be getting only 4 BHK plus servant. In 4 BHK also, you have options to choose from 2 square feet, which is 5581 and 5518 with servant room. And for 3 BHK, it's 3800 square feet. So as you can see, if you open the sliding doors, which is UPVC glass, this is a double glazed glass, which is soundproof and heat proof. So if you open this, you will be getting an enlarged bedroom. So come with me and I will give you more details on the payment plan of Bignonia Towers. So the payment plan is 36/64, which means 36% you have to pay in 90 days and rest in the time of possession. And the possession time of Bignonia Tower is 4 years. So are you excited? Do you want me to unveil the price of this ultra luxurious Bignonia Tower in Central Park Flower Valley? So the prices starts from 8.95 crores, which includes your EDC, IDC and GST. As this is going to be a low density project, you will be getting all your privacy in this towers. And you will be getting not 1 but 2 clubs for lifetime. So 1 club you will be getting along with Bignonia Tower, plus you will be getting a lifetime membership of Club Volga, which is the main club of Central Park Valley, which is spread across expansive 3 lakh square feet. And in that club, you are going to get ample number of amenities. So as I've shown you in 2 episodes, the multiple projects of Central Park Flower Valley, and I'm sure I am still be missing out on some of the projects. So you need to come yourself in person and visit this 1,000-acre township, which is a city in Gurgaon city, and you can come here for an experience, an integral part of this extraordinary project where we have showcased you multiple options for your house, and I'm sure you will get your dream house with us. For more details, do subscribe Zrix.com and call us on the numbers flashing below if you want more details. Thank you for watching us.